You got new road glide.
23.7.
Oh no, all the back ones.
Oh, right. Not the road camp.
As soon as we get the bike out of here, we can throw one of those short backrest pads on so they can just try and see if they like where it is.
Yeah.
Around here.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Yeah. You gonna get you unloaded?
Oh, wow. Goodbye, Road King.
Yeah, I got her strapped down pretty good. We had traveled 100. Okay. Yep.
Slowly.
It's drier than when it was when I put it on there.
Oh, God, yeah.
It's like a snot on there this morning trying to get it on.
It's really hard for us to put that there. It's ready to load up now. It's time to load it up.
The biggest thing is start with the front wheel. Put her in the wheel. Yep. This wheel, and I usually take it past here. Where you from, man? Shanks, right outside of Rome.
We're good to go?
I think so.
Yeah, we got a new bike now, so happy. My husband is happy now. Excited to go for a ride. Oh, that's very pretty. It's badass.